Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essentials so the AI can work fast. Provide clear goals, audience, and 5-10 key points. This frames structure and tone. Once done, add brand assets, logos, colors, fonts, and a short outline or script. The AI will match layout and visuals. Choose a slide generator with template and speaker note support and upload everything into a single folder. This reduces back and forth and lets the model produce cohesive slides quickly, saving time and keeping design consistent. Now you generate and refine. Prompt the AI slide by slide, specifying slide count and desired timing, say 6 slides at 30-45 seconds each, so pacing and word count are accurate. Once the draft appears, request alternate layouts and tweak color contrast and image choices to match accessibility needs. Make sure to convert dense text into concise bullets and ask for charts from your data. As you iterate, keep testing slides in presentation mode to confirm flow and timing before finalizing the deck. Complete the deck by exporting a PPTX and verifying fonts, embedded images, and animations. This prevents surprises on other machines. Once exported, rehearse with speaker notes and timings to confirm pacing and transitions. If something breaks, first check compatibility and re-embed any missing assets, then regenerate only the problematic slides instead of the entire deck. Finally, save a PDF backup and a version with comments. This approach ensures you finish on time and gives a clear recovery path if the AI output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.